Yes, now it's time for checking. I hope you have done the test well. Now just see the answer carefully and see the stepwise marking and give the marks accordingly. Then you have to send the pic of marked answer sheet with marks to me so that I can maintain your record. Okay, I hope you understood the instruction. Let's start with the first question. What was the first question? Write multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 13. You know very well the multiplicative inverse of any number is to be given by the reciprocal of the statement, but the sign remains with the statement. If it is to be given positive, then it remains positive. If it is to be given negative, it remains negative. So first answer will become, what the first answer will become? The answer will become minus 13 upon 5. Minus 13 upon 5. If your answer is right, then you have to give them full marks, that is 1. If you have written 13 upon 5 but not written the sign, means positive sign you have written, then you have to give half marks. Clear for the marking of first sum. Now see, find second question, that multiply 4 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Okay, now just see the solution of this question, that is reciprocal of minus 4 upon, that is minus reciprocal is to be given of minus 7 upon 16, and so reciprocal will become minus 16 upon 7, and we have to just multiply it by 4 by 13. So we will write product is equal to 4 by 13 into minus 16 upon 7. Now see, if you are going to write that reciprocal, give 1 mark. If you have just written the product in symbol form, give half marks more. If you have done the product of numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, give more half marks. It means 1 mark, half mark, and the answer is minus 64 upon 91. Clear? The 2 marks. According to stepwise you have to see, then you have to give the marks. Now question number 3rd. What is the question number 3rd? Minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay, your statement was, this statement was given on the 3rd place and this 5 by 2 was given on the 2nd place. So first step, you have to just change the position of 2nd and 3rd. Okay, 3rd statement, 3rd term will become on 2nd and the 2nd term will go to 3rd. Okay, change the place. When you change the place of 2 statement, then the property is known as commutative property. Means A plus B is equal to B plus A. This property is known as commutative property. The addition remain as it is if we will just change the place of 2 statements, 2 terms. First come on second, second come on first. Okay, we have to just change the place of these 2 statements. So we will write commutative property. Okay, now just see in first 2 statement, first 2, which 2 terms we have got. What is common in these 2 terms? The minus 3 by 5 is common. So minus 3 by 5 we have taken common. The rest is to be 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Clear? How I have taken common? Plus 3rd term as it is. When we are going to take common, then this property is known as distributive property. Which property? Distributive property. Now how to solve? First of all, we have to solve the bracket. What is to be there in bracket? 2 terms with addition sign and they are in rational form. And how to take the addition of rational numbers? By just taking the LCM of two statements having in denominators LCM. Okay, so here denominators are 3 and 6, so their LCM will be 6. Then we have to write corresponding numerators. How to write the numerators? Divide the statement by denominator. Okay, which LCM you have to just getting, divide it by denominator. Which answer you are getting, multiply it by numerator. So divide 6 by 3, you will get 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. As we have taken minus 3 by 5 as common outside, so inside both statements have plus sign. So it will become plus 4 plus 1 upon 6, because in bracket we have to do the addition in the form of integers. Okay, so it will become minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2 as it is. Now 5, this term we are going to make it single, as multiply sign is to be there. First of all we are going to cancel these two, 5 and 5, and 3 and 6 is to be cancelled, 3 table 1 by 2. Okay, so we will left with minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So you are to be just see your LCM is 2, so minus 1 plus 5, that is to be gives you 4 by 2. Now 2. If you are not writing property, just see your marks will be deducted. Okay, so first commutative property writing step, that is of half marks. Right, distributive property you have to write, that is to be of half marks. As you have taken common by taking LCM, just see 1 mark more. Do the cancellation and just take the more step of addition will gives you 1 mark. If anything is to be missing, if either property is also missing, just keep in mind you have to deduct the marks. The last question is to be write 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, 3 questions we have done. Now we are going to do the last question, that is 4th question. 3 statements, sum number 4. Okay, the statements were 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now 2 methods were there. I have told you yesterday also. I am just going to explain by both methods. So which method you have done, you just give the marks accordingly to that steps. Okay, so for first method you have to take the common LCM, common denominator you have to just make it. So LCM will be, that is 4. So new numerator will become 1 and 2. So first statement will become 1 by 4, another will become 2 by 4. Now no statement lying in between these two, so we have to multiply it by 10. So it will become 1 into 10, 4 into 10, that is 2. Next will become 2 into 10, 4 into 10. It means 10 by 40, 20 by 40. Okay, out of these, now in between so many numbers are lying, so we have to write 3 numbers, that is 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40. Now see the marking criteria. By taking LCM, making the numerator same, give 1 marks. If you have just make the denominator same with the greatest number, means by doing multiplication of any number, give half marks more. Okay, then by just be showing the number with product form and writing the rational number, give 2.5 marks more, then total means 4 marks. Okay, clear? I think you have done the marking accordingly this one of this sum. Now the second one method. Second method you know very well. By just taking first statement as A, another is to be B, then the rational number is to be given by half of A plus B. Means half marks is of formula first. Half marks is of formula first. Okay, clear? Now for finding first number, it will become 1 by 2 of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. By taking LCM, that is to be 4, LCM, that will become 1 plus 2 of 1 by 2. So it will gives you 1 by 2 of 3 by 4, that is 3 by 8. Okay, so your first number. If you got the first number, give half marks more. 1.5 marks. Total will become 2 marks up to getting one rational number. because if you just are able to find the first rational number, automatically you are able to find the others two also. In the same way, you have to just find the second rational number by taking any one answer and one statement. So as I have taken here 1/4 as statement and 3/8 as 3/8 your second term. Do the addition of these two and just be take 1/2. By again taking the LCM, we got the value 5/16. It is second number. So if you got the second number, give 1 mark more, means 3 marks. In the same way, if you are getting the third rational number, by taking one statement with one answer, any one answer, it's up to you. Okay, don't think your answer must be match any rational number. You can write any rational number. Clear? So in this way, you have to just check your marks. Do hurry up, please send me the pic of your marks got. Okay, bye बच्चों.